Hi everyone, welcome to Behind the Clay. I'm really excited because this is my first ever YouTube video. Today I will be showing you how to make a bubble trinket tray using white cement and plaster of Paris. So let's start it. Let's begin by taking a clean bowl. Add 1 part of plaster of Paris and 4 part of white cement. Mix them together while dry so they combine evenly. Now slowly add water and keep stirring until you get a smooth pourable texture. Not too thick, not too thin. You will know it's right when it's flow easily without any lumps. Next, take your mold and spray unmold spray from about 20 to 30 centimeters away. This small step really helps the tray release smoothly later and it keeps your edges nice and clean. Now gently pour the mixture into your bubble tray mold and tap the mold a few times to release any air bubbles. It helps the surface stay smooth once it sets. Try to pour evenly so all sides fill up nicely. Let it sit undisturbed and avoid moving the mold during this time. A little patience goes a long way toward a perfect finish. Once it's fully set, carefully remove the tray from the mold. You can lightly sand the edges if needed, and for a glossy look, apply a thin coat of resin or varnish. And that's it, your bubble trinket tray is ready. Thanks for watching and being part of my first video on Behind the Clay. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon with another creative project.